If you've run into the stubborn OneDrive error code 0x8004de44, you know just how frustrating it can be when your files refuse to sync and nothing seems to work. In this video, I'll walk you through every fix, starting from the simplest and moving to more advanced steps, so by the end, you'll know exactly what to do to get OneDrive working again and keep your files safe and accessible. Let's dive right in with a couple of quick fixes, because sometimes the simplest solutions really are all you need. First, check your internet connection. OneDrive can't function if there's no steady connection, so make sure you're actually online. Next, right-click the OneDrive cloud icon on your taskbar and choose Quit OneDrive. Give it a good 10 seconds, then restart the app from your Start menu. This works like refreshing a web page or restarting your phone. It clears temporary issues and allows OneDrive to reconnect fresh. If OneDrive is still stuck, try restarting your entire PC. Again, this might sound basic, but Windows can get a little sluggish or glitchy over time, and a reboot often clears any minor hiccups that can interrupt syncing. Another common culprit is your antivirus software being a bit overzealous. These programs sometimes block legitimate apps like OneDrive by mistake. Try temporarily disabling your antivirus just long enough to see if OneDrive starts working. If it does, you'll know the security software is to blame, and you can add OneDrive to its list of trusted apps. Don't worry, as long as you're only disabling it for a minute or two, your system remains safe. If those quick fixes don't do the trick, let's step things up a notch. OneDrive, like any program, can get its lines crossed. Resetting it is almost like giving it a clean slate. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog, and type in %localappdata %pic/Microsoft /OneDrive/OneDrive. exe reset. I know it's a mouthful, but just copy and paste it if you need to. Hit Enter and OneDrive will reset. Once it closes, restart it from your Start menu. Don't panic if things look different for a moment. Give it a little time to resync your files. While you're at it, you should also make sure you're running the latest version of OneDrive. Head into the Microsoft Store and check for updates, because newer versions often patch bugs, security issues, and yes, sometimes those mysterious error codes. Still stuck? Windows has a built-in troubleshooter for these cases. Go into your system settings, search for Troubleshoot, and run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. It's designed to pinpoint common app issues and fix them automatically, which can save you a lot of guesswork. If you're still not in the clear, it's time for the advanced fixes. OneDrive relies heavily on Windows networking settings. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet, look for Advanced Network Settings and select Network Reset. This will wipe out and refresh all your network presets. Fair warning, you'll need to reconnect to all your Wi-Fi networks, so have those passwords handy. Another possible obstacle is a proxy server. If your internet goes through a proxy common in offices or schools, OneDrive might not play nicely with it. Try temporarily disabling the proxy and see if that lets OneDrive connect. And as a last resort, there's always the tried-and-true nuclear option, uninstalling and reinstalling OneDrive. Uninstall the app from your control panel, restart your PC, and then grab the latest version from the Microsoft website to reinstall. It's a bit more involved, but sometimes starting completely fresh is what finally kicks the error code to the curb. So there you have it, a full toolkit to tackle OneDrive error 0x8004de44. If this helped you, please give this video a like, and let me know in the comments if you have any other questions or if a particular step worked for you. And don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on tech tutorials. I'm here to help you keep everything running smoothly. Thanks for watching and good luck getting OneDrive back in action.